Our nautical decoration is inspired by utensils, pieces and tools that were used in both ships and ports. This environment recovers these objects by trying to keep them as they were in their daily use and transports us to what could be the hold of a ship. You'll find hand-painted buoys with different shapes, glass buoys in a variety of colours and sizes, nets, cork or rope defenders, cork floats, nets and even rope lights. Lifebelts are made like they used to be, from a float that we line with a hand-sewn fabric and paint in colourful colours. Normally the name of the ship and the name of the port it belongs to is written on these, but Batela gives you the opportunity to personalise it your way. It seems that flags have been hoisted for years to the mast of a ship, and the impressively sized ship's wheel has the patina that many years of wind and salt water create. Some objects, such as these navigation lights or this marine signal lamp, are from scrap parts. Oars are part of our favourite objects. Different finishes, colours and shapes give them great decorative value. Rope protected buoys and glass bottles are the inspiration for these ceiling lamps that also exist in their desktop versions. We close this scene with port and starboard lights and lanterns with both vintage and more modern finishes.